Hey, what's up everybody, here Ivan. Gonna do this super quick video so you can get this VidIQ for free, the paid version, the $40 a month. This one you could get it for free online on Google. It's a Google Chrome extension. So I'm gonna show you how to get this one so you don't have to pay $40 a month. VidIQ is for SEO, ranking videos more faster from any niche. I've been using this for a couple months, I think a year, and it's been helping me a lot. My videos. It's like TubeBuddy. I don't know if you guys have heard about TubeBuddy. I think TubeBuddy. Usually I was using this before. TubeBuddy. It helps you more to rank your videos on YouTube, on keywords, tags, description, titles, etc. on YouTube. Give you tips how to rank it more faster, your competition. I usually use it more for Google Trends. On the paid version, this one, the Boost one. If you want more info, go to the side. But I'm going to show you how to get it for free, so you don't have to pay this. Usually you can get this one for free online. But let's go right here. Let me do it fast. Open a new tab on Google. And go more tools, extensions. And then right here some. So you can add zip files. You have it like that, it's not gonna add it. So just leave it like that and go right here, load, unpack. And just go right here, download. Where is it? Download this, put it on the right here, retry. What happened? Let me refresh. Yes, this one. I don't know why it didn't work. I'm gonna leave the download link for this from this down the zip file, so you can download it. If I don't leave it, message me, because I usually put my videos on Facebook first and then on YouTube. But yeah, just like that. For more details, click on more details and put it right here. Where is it? On incognito. Oh, this one I already have incognito, but if right here it says incognito, just put it right here. If you get an error, but this one is cool. If you get an error, just click details and click incognito. I don't see incognito. Oh, it's right here, non-site. But if you see incognito, just click it right there and go back, because I was having that issue, and just click on error, like a red. It's gonna be right here, and then clean it up, and it's gonna work. What else? Okay, just I already installed it to Google Chrome. So let's go back and go right here. Let me refresh. It. Oh, you already saw it. Okay, error. You have this. Just go details. Modify. Incognito. Right here. Just go back. Let me double check. Yeah, okay. Just go back. Just click right. Just switch this to on. Incognito. Just fix errors, clean it up, and that's it. And then go back, and then you go to, let's go to YouTube. And go right here the extension, and put your info. This is a dummy account that I have for YouTube. I was testing this account for other stuff. So just refresh it, because this one, this account is for the basic one, the free one. Refresh it, and just pick a video, and you will see that it has the boost one. I hate it when I record it because my laptop gets super slow. Let me just pause this video. You can see right here, it says right here, the boost one. Boost. It has more features. I don't know if you can see it right here. It has more features, like, let me show you on this channel. I have some videos that was testing. It didn't work out. Hey, it always doesn't work out. That's why I test a lot of times. I've been telling people, if it doesn't work the first time, the second time, try it. Try the third, fourth time, and maybe the fifth time will work. So this is the one that I was testing. This one was working, but I got caught up with something else, like always on CPA marketing or pay-per-click or Google Trends, and I stopped. That's the thing. I stopped making videos. But yeah, this is the features that they give you when you pay, like this one, boost this video. They give you more keywords that you can rank it on the SEO. It's more, I'm gonna do a video more VidIQ on this, how it works. I've been using it for a couple months and it's working awesome. So yeah, this is the boost one. The only thing, you get the extension. I don't know what to say, basics, because it's a cracked version. What I'm doing right now, but it works. Boost all this. I use all these features, like this one, boost this video. I know, so you can get all the keywords, the ranking, competition overall. Like, let me test this one, boost this one. Another, nah, it's not working, but it's cool. I know how to, like, hey people, you could get a lot of, the sky's the limit right here. I know you're seeing the big picture. You're not paying. So let's go with this one. Where is the most viewed? Like this one. You want to search on movies. This is what I do in movies. Search on movies. Which people are watching the movies right now. Which one are trending. And I make a video. And rank it more faster. I do a lot of social signals, backlinks, and everything. This is VPH, means views per hour on this one. So it's getting a lot of views. So I gotta do a video on this more on details. This is just a sample, so you can get it for free, the boost one. So yeah, this one on the ranking on the boost one. Where is it? I just learned this. I just cracked this. So on this one, where is it? It's not coming up. But the one that I click right here to boost it up, it works. It works, people. But usually right now I just install it, so it's not gonna work. Maybe it's gonna work for tomorrow. But usually I use it more for Google Trends and making new videos. It will show me all the rankings and everything. Usually I pay for like $50 for this. Where is it? $40. But this is for free. If you want the extension right here, let me know. Just clean it up. It works, people. And that's it. I don't know. It's because I already started like twice, so it's not working. Besides, I have another that I'm paying, the paid version. So that's why it's getting these errors. But if you want the link so you can test it out, awesome. If you don't want it, cool. Cool. I don't care. But usually I just crack this so you get so you can get the paid version. What I didn't like is when you log in, it's not the same. The back office usually only works on videos when you create videos. When you create videos, it works the extension. That's the only thing it works. But like right here, it works on the back office. But it doesn't have all the features as the boost, this one. So keep that in mind. It works for the extension only. I just want to let you know so you guys won't be, oh, it didn't work. This is awesome. This is free. The free version, it give you, like you already saw, like not a lot of features like the paid ones. Usually I use more this one, the extension, the back office. Maybe the ones that I use the most, SEO, keyword search, and that's it. But yeah, if you want this, the download link for this one, so you can get the boost so you can boost your videos, the boost extension on Google. Let me know. I might leave the link on the description of the video, or message me so I can send you the share link. So you can download it on your PC, whatever you're doing, video SEO and all that good stuff online. Usually I've been killing the SEO videos right now. I've been testing a lot of softwares and they're freaking working. Backlinks, social signals, and everything. That's why I've been super freaking busy on these days. But yeah, let me know, people, and don't forget to like and comment on this video. See ya. Peace.